this is Travis with Flavor Bomb Rubs and Spices, and today I'm going to show you a trick on using leftover crawfish tails. So let's get to it. Alright, so in order to make these crawfish queso fries we're going to make, we'll be using our top secret prototype rub. This is the Trident. If you order throughout the month of September while supplies last, you actually get your own sample of this. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of butter and we're going to melt that out. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of crab boil. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic. We're going to mix and get this thing happy. Alright, so once all this is melted down, take our leftover crawfish, and all we're doing essentially is reheating it. We're also going to incorporate some of this crawfish flavor for our queso sauce that we're about to make. Alright, so now this is heated through, we're going to add about a tablespoon of our new Trident Rub. We're going to mix it in and stir it. Alright, so once this is all heated through, all we're going to do is we're going to use a slotted spoon and we're going to take all these crawfish tails out and we're going to set them in a bowl for later. Alright, so all we're left was this amazing liquid right here. It's going to be super flavorful for our queso. So all we're going to do to this, we're going to add in 12 ounces of evaporated milk. We're going to add in a half a cup of heavy cream. And then we're going to start mixing. All right, we're going to slowly let this milk come up, and then we're going to start adding cheese. We want to make sure that it doesn't clump, so we're going to add a little bit at a time, keep things moving, and before you know it, we'll have a delicious cheese sauce to put over these fries. All right, so we're going to let this slowly simmer away. It's still pretty runny, but the longer you let it simmer, the thicker it's going to get and the better it's going to be. So a little bit longer and we'll show you how we finish this up. Alright, so our cheese sauce has melted down nicely. Nice creamy, a bold flavor with that Trident Rub. We had some french fries here. We just cooked in the air fryer. All we're going to do, throw some crawfish on here. Try not to spill it everywhere. Top it with as much or as little as you want. Alright, so now that we've got our crawfish topped on our fries, all we're going to do is take our cheese sauce and you just ladle it over just like this. There you go. Crawfish queso fries. Alright, so that's it. If you want to pick up Trident Rub or any of our other line of rubs, head over to fbbbq.com and thanks for watching.